put the tires on this G35 right here. Yeah, y'all check them out. They do great work. That's my boy right there, the one with the green shirt. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna get new tires, and my buddy here, Renato, is gonna change them out for me, guys, and I'm gonna show you guys him putting them on and taking them off. Check him out, guys. My boy Renato right here, he's a beast. He's about to do this in like 5 minutes. NASCAR. Yeah, but this is his shop right here, guys. I give him a call. That's his number right there. 281-738-8230. But yeah, these tires are worn out already, guys. Check this out, guys. Look at this. See, look at that. You can see the wire right there. That's why I have to get it replaced. So whoever has this car can have a really good car with. Guys, brand new tire right here. Y'all already know the best place in Houston, best tire shop in Houston, best service, guys. You just gotta bring them some Modelos. Alright guys, check it out. They just finished putting the tires on. He hooked me up, he gave me a good deal. Look at the tires he put on, guys. They're basically brand new. You guys gotta come here. Look, it's even Bridgestone. It's a great brand. So if you guys are looking for name brand tires for a good reasonable price, hit him up, guys. That's his number. That's my boy right there, Renato. But yeah, he gave me this set. Bridgestone. They're basically brand new, guys. And he also replaced this one right here in the front. Boom. Nothing but good tires, guys. Hopefully I can sell this car soon, guys. I'm gonna get the mirror probably tomorrow, but yep. Alright guys, I sanded down the this part right here. Took off most of the paint. Gotta let it dry again. But clean it off a little bit. Once it dries off, you know, you're gonna see the clear coat, but I'm gonna hit it with some of this. You know, it comes with paint and primer, and it already looks shiny. But I'm gonna hit it with like a couple little sprays so it can look good. Let me get back to it when it dries up. But I already hit this part right here with some of this. You know, don't look that bad, but yeah, right here there was like, I'm gonna see if I could like sand it down, lower down. But you really can't tell. You really can't notice. Hit it right here. Alright, there we go, guys. Let's see how it dried off. Alright, I'm gonna hit this thing right here. Yeah, a couple of light coats like that, guys. Look at that. Looks good. Like nothing ever happened. You know, like you really can't tell if it was red. Like, you know, look at that, guys. Looks shiny again. Boom, just let it dry. You can still see the little scrapes, but see this with some of this, just as good as the OEM paint. But yeah, guys, there you go. I already fixed the problems. I'm actually cleaning up this car right here. Coming out real nice. Look how clean it looks. Boom, looks like a brand new. Not bad, guys. Excuse the boxes over here. We're moving, but I got the light. Not the light, the mirror on offer off some guy for 25 bucks. I already prepped it up, you know. I'm about to spray paint it. You know, the guy had I guess a matte black G35. It was all messed up, but got this for 25 bucks, and I already cleaned it up with the acetone, and I'm about to spray paint it with some of that Rust-Oleum. So this is the before, and I'm gonna show you guys that. Here we go, guys. It looks pretty decent. I have to let it dry, obviously. You know, I'm gonna hit it right here at the bottom a little bit, but I'm gonna let this part just dry off. Yikes. But yeah. Decent, you know. It does have a little bit of orange peel, but it's shiny, so for the pictures, it's gonna look nice. Alright guys, we're here. It's super early, I'm tired, but I'm about to replace this messed up mirror. I already got this one, I already got it painted, so I'm gonna take off the prep up tape. Here's my toolkit. We're gonna basically be removing this and this, and this basically like unclips off a little bit, and this comes off after you take off these two clips. This just basically like unclips off. It's real simple, really self-explanatory. There's multiple videos on how to replace window motors on G35. Just watch that, and that's how you get to this. And there's 3 bolts right here, and that's how you take off the side mirror, guys. It's not that hard. That's my M35 right there, but the car's finally done, guys. I finally fixed it. I'm about to go detail it, you know, go fix all this up. There's the old mirror right there, my toolkit. But yeah, guys, this car I still gotta get this fixed. That's what I'm gonna go get done today, guys. Remove that stuff. All right, guys, we're out here for my boy Alan's garage right here. He's helping me out. We're getting off this really bad emblem removal job. He's about to fix it up for me, guys. I'm gonna see if I can set my phone up and do like a little time lapse of his work and stuff. All right, guys. Alright guys, check it out, my boy Alan here. He already put the emblem. I forgot to record because I was having like this internet fight with this guy. But yeah, we put the emblem on. I took it off of this one, guys. There you go, see? It's off. And we just used, we tried to use this thing, but we epically failed. So we ended up using double-sided tape. You know, pretty self-explanatory. There's lots of videos on YouTube. But yeah, I'm gonna go wash it right now again and re-record. Boom, guys, check that out. Cleaned up the engine. This car has 0 leaks, like no BS, guys. Like, I looked under here and look at that. Check that out, guys. 0 leaks. Looks super clean. Check that out, guys. 0 leaks. But yeah, the car's finally done. It has 0 lights, no lights on. Clean title. If anybody's interested, hit me up. 4,500. Yep, the car's finally done, guys. Check it out.